Hey guys, welcome to my channel Drive Away to Reset. Life in London can be boring, every day doing the same thing. So today we have decided to go for a road trip to Brackley in this beautiful car F35 refresh model Tesla Model 3. All you have to do is put the name of the place and that's it. The car will decide the journey, the route for you. And here we go. As per the route planned by the car, we had to take a stop to juice up the car. Tesla's supercharger, super quick. Let me get into the car to show you how much charge I need to continue the trip. And here, and that's it. Let me go to charging. And it says, 5 minutes to continue the trip. And here we are in Brackley. Welcome to Brackley. Beautiful day, beautiful place.
Now this is here.
You like it?
Yeah.
We were fortunate enough to come across a fun fair in Brackley. So many rides, so many dangerous rides, which I would never get onto. But my little one, she had so much fun. She never wanted to come off it. She enjoyed every ride. Seeing her happy just made our day. So this was it, all about a day in Brackley. Till then, see you all in the next video. Please recommend me a place where I should visit to drive away to reset. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below. Be safe and have fun.